Email is one of the most profitable channels of any marketing strategy, but how exactly does it work? In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about email marketing, like how to set up your own email marketing strategy and the best practices you should follow if you want to see success. Let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. What is email marketing? As its name suggests, email marketing involves sending emails to a list of existing and/or potential customers. Basically, it is a mix of communication and direct marketing. For years, some marketing gurus have predicted email marketing's decline, but to this day, this tried and true marketing technique remains strong. In terms of return on investment or ROI, email marketing continues to be one of the most profitable and effective actions an advertiser can take. The average return is around $38 for every $1 invested. But why? One of the reasons that email marketing works so well is because your message quickly reaches the people on your contact list at no cost to you. Many people have added both their personal account and their work account to their mobile devices, so emails land directly into the hands of your target audience. Since nearly half of all emails are opened on a smartphone, your message must be designed intentionally and formatted to fit mobile devices. If not, your messages will lose its impact before it's even given into the hands of the consumer. Although email marketing is traditionally thought of as a conversion-oriented tool, think of buying a product or signing up for a webinar, in reality, it can fulfill many functions and adapt to many situations. Here are just a few examples. Customer acquisition emails that are designed to attract new customers to your brand. Administrative emails like those that send the user downloadable content after they've subscribed. Loyalty emails, which are used to generate repeat purchases. Newsletters that keep current and potential clients in contact with your brand and communicate news, like policy changes, product launches, deals, etc. And much more. If you are already on board and want to start your own email marketing strategy for your business, what are the basics you should take into consideration? Let's briefly go through them. 1. SMART goals and contact strategy. Email marketing is one of the techniques marketers use when they need to increase sales and conversions. But it's not just about contacting everyone and anyone as quickly as possible. It's important to take the time to set goals for each email. This is where SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timed, come in. SMART goals allow you to define clear KPIs, contact strategies for each campaign, and schedule the frequency with which emails will be sent to subscribers or contacts when they complete certain actions. 2. The 3 V's to get registrations via email. There are many techniques to grow your subscriber base, and it is vital to make the most of them and get email addresses from new signups. To achieve this, keep the 3 V's in mind. Visibility. It may seem quite obvious, but make sure the CTAs are very easy to find. Some potential locations for CTAs are your homepage, product or landing pages, social media profiles, transaction pages, and more. Value. Why should somebody subscribe? List the benefits in the email you send. Velocity. Make email registration a quick and easy process. Create a simple form where the person can leave their email with a single click. Do not take visitors to another landing page where they can then subscribe. Otherwise, you complicate the process and you can lose potential contacts along the way. 3. Identify the right metrics. If you have clear objectives, then these should guide you to decide which metrics to track. Some of the most popular ones include delivery rate, the percentage of emails delivered compared to the number of emails sent. Bounce rate, the percentage of undelivered emails. Open rate, the percentage of opened emails. Click-through rate or CTR, the percentage that tells us how many people clicked through an email in relation to how many emails were delivered. Click-to-open rate. This is the percentage of recipients who have clicked on any of the links in the email divided by the number of emails opened. Then that result is multiplied by 100. New subscribers are those who register for one of your events for a fee. Conversion rate, the percentage of recipients who complete an action after reading your email. Cost per acquisition, the average amount required to acquire or register a customer. And there are plenty more, including lifetime value or return per email. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you want us to make a video about email marketing metrics. 4. The 3 V's of unsubscribing. The 3 V's applies not only to registration acquisition, but also to the unsubscribe process. 1. Visibility. Do not put unsubscribe in a tiny font. Make the option visible so that recipients can easily unsubscribe. 2. Value. Provide unsubscribers with an easy-to-use preference process. This will allow recipients to change their email address, alter mailing frequency, or content preferences. You can also offer to contact them in other ways, such as via SMS or social media. Velocity. Again, it should be quick and easy to unsubscribe. Once you're ready to start your email marketing campaign, you'll need a tool to design, automate, and send your emails. Click on the video that appears on the screen to learn more about those, and subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about digital and inbound marketing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.